So guys, 1 week one trade, 1 week one trade, 1 week one trade. You can see last 2 week we took this one, last week we took this one. So let's know how trade one move. See where trading is right now. So let's see how market is going to move this week. Let us see how market is going to move this week. You can see my trading journey, how I'm trading. See on gold, you can see change of direction. I enter. You can see. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, on this video I'm going to put my Telegram channel link on it. So like and share. You can see last 2 week we enter this one after change of direction, pull back, we enter. And also this one, so last week we enter this one after change of direction. You can see, simple. If you want to learn how to find market structure, trade like this, go to my YouTube channel and learn how I trade. I post video how I can be able to enter market like this. You can see, can see, can see. So using supply and demand strategy, go to my YouTube channel and type Pablo Forex. You can be able to learn how to find a setup. This is the new pro trader using a setup right now. And also I'm still using smart money concept. This thing you can see on my chart. You can see it. You can see. Also look here. See what I'm using. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, I'll put the link on my don't be like I dey take loss, but my win pass my losses. So past 2 week now we are taking a trade. We enter trade here, this area here, right here. After change of direction, we also enter another trade here, break of structure. We also enter another trade here, break of structure. So it's simple, but you need patience and discipline. If you don't have all these things, patience and discipline, you cannot take trade like this. If you cannot get patience and see what the market is going to do, because some people take 4 trades in a week, 5 trades in a week, but I only take one. I only take one trade in every week. I only take one trade. So, and also on GBP I take one trade on GBP. You can see GBP here. See GBP. This is GBP. GBP. Let me put this in very well. On GBP, this is GBP. So this is gold and GBP. That is my best pairs forever on forex trading. Some people have like 5 pairs, 6 pairs, but I only trade 2 pairs, the one that works for my strategy. So if you want to learn how my strategy works, go to my YouTube channel and learn from there. And also if you want to trade, take signal from me, on this video I'm going to put my Telegram channel link on it. So do well to follow on this Facebook, and also if you are watching this video on YouTube, subscribe and follow for more, because I'm going to show you guys how to enter trade, how to identify liquidity sweep, how to identify break of structure, and also everything about forex. I'm going to guide you people step by step how to take it. And you can see how I'm trading, have discipline. My risk management using this my strategy is very, very good. And some people using this strategy, I know many people using this strategy that I'm using, and also all of them is doing well. So, and you don't need to be using different strategy, have like 4 strategies, 5 strategies. No, you don't need that. What you need is one strategy, patience and discipline. That is what you need on forex trading. And when you have all these things, you are free to go. And also when you are trading, have like choose one PS that is working for your trading strategy. Choose the PS. Even if na one or two, choose the two and stick on it. Don't jump from one PS to two PS, from one PS to two PS. Also jumping from one strategy to two strategy. If your guy win trade, you can't ask am, how far guy, which strategy are you using? No, don't do that. Focus on your own and build your system. I'm building my system right now. You can see using two PS. You can see GBP USD. You can see. So this last week we don't take any trade on GBP USD. Last week we don't take any trade on GBP USD. You can see GBP USD last week is ranging. It never they show us clean direction. So we don't take any trade. This is last 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks we enter this trade. We enter this trade last 2 weeks. So last week we don't see setup on GBP USD, but we see one setup on gold. This is gold setup last week. So that is how I trade. So if you want to learn more, DM me or learn from my Telegram channel. I'm going to explain how I can be able to find trade like this, and how I also build your patience, what to do, what not to do. So let's go. You can see after change of direction we enter gold. So guys, if you watch this video to the end, comment done or more video. If you watch it to the end, comment more or done. I'm going to pick you and guide you how to become a profitable trader. So what you need is to watch this video to the end, and also do well to subscribe on my YouTube. If you are watching on Facebook, do well to follow and share. So what I need from you guys, what I promise from you guys this year, I'm going to guide you people step by step. If you're a beginner forex trader, if you watch this video to the end, comment more. And also on this video I'm going to put my Telegram channel link on it. So do well to join my Telegram channel link, because every week me and my community is always go live and learn how to trade and also find a setup. So let's do it together. We can do it. You can do it. Okay, we can do it. Don't quit. Don't quit. Maybe after 2 week, 1 month, 6 months, you think no, trading is not about making fast money. It's that building your system. When you build your system, you can be able to do what you need. So after you build your system, you can be able to start making money on trading. Not after to be. Don't worry. This year I'm going to guide you people step by step how to build your system, how to take a trade like this one, and how to identify market structure, liquidity sweep, and also what is meaning of forex trading. This is what I'm going to explain for you guys this year. So what you need, if you are watching this video on YouTube, subscribe on this channel, and also if you are watching on Facebook, do well to follow and share this video. And I promise you guys, if you follow me on this channel, give yourself 2 months. Give yourself 2 months. Also join my Telegram channel. Give yourself 2 months. The way you are trading today is no more again. I'm going to guide you step by step how to pass, because these two trades, hey, I don't already make a lot of money.